Of all the products that Wealthy Health makes, I think this is the most unique product. This is an absolutely amazing formula, and I think I would recommend it to just about anyone who has a lung problem. So let's have a closer look at the ingredients and we'll be able to see why it's so unique. So the first ingredient is albizia. Albizia is a herb that's traditionally used for allergies. So allergic rhinitis, any sort of sneezing, any kind of asthma, that sort of picture will really respond well to albizia. Andrographis is immune supportive, so if somebody's got any kind of infection in their upper respiratory tract or lungs, that's going to be very useful for protecting them against pneumonias and things like that. So we really want to support the immune system so that if they have got something, that they're not going to get worse. Thyme is a wonderful lung expectorant, so that means it's going to help cough up any fluid, any mucus that's in the lung, and get that out of the lung. It's also antibacterial, so that's also going to be helpful for any kind of chest infection. It's also great for bronchitis. Licorice is a mucous membrane restorative, and what that means is that it helps soothe and repair the mucous membranes, and the lungs are mucous membranes. So it's anti-inflammatory, and it also helps people to cough up any mucus that's in there. Cinnamon is a blood purifier, and so in traditional Chinese medicine, when we have these sort of situations, we want to keep the blood cleaned up and make sure that the sepsis isn't going to set in. Dong Quai is anti-inflammatory and is also great for circulation. And mullein is another traditional herb that's expectorant, and it's also demulcent, which means it's soothing to the lungs. It's anti-catarrhal. Cardamom is antiseptic, and so we've got an amazing array of wonderful herbs, all lung supporting. So we would use this in the case of anyone with a cough, anyone who's got allergic kind of lung respiratory tract picture. Anyone, for example, with asthma could be taking this. We could have anyone with bronchitis. Anyone who smokes would benefit from this. Anyone who's in a place where there's a lot of pollution in the air would benefit from this. So there's so many different scenarios that we could cover with this one product. But what a wonderful lung support. And of course in winter we've got, you know, a lot of respiratory tract infections, so very useful to remember this one when you're also recommending, you know, your garlic and other things like that. Don't forget this product, because this product really stands out for lung support. So Wealthy Health PM Lung Support, fantastic product.